Recently, southern China has been hit by heavy rainfall, leading to severe flooding across multiple areas. In Guangdong Province's Meizhou city, several regions were submerged, with water levels rising as high as 5 meters in some places. As of June 17, some towns and villages in Pingyuan County and Jiaoling County remain out of contact.
哇，开都断远了，桥也断了，路也过不了了，树人家家门口的树都打掉了。
From the evening of June 15th to June 16th, northern Meizhou experienced heavy to torrential rain, causing significant disasters in various areas. Pingyuan County experienced the highest average rainfall in the city at 179.1 millimeters, causing numerous landslides that disrupted transportation and communication networks. The torrential downpour resulted in rapid water level rises in many river sections and reservoirs. Consequently, 3 rivers in Meizhou issued red flood warnings. In Guangfu Town, Jiaoling County, a reservoir overflowed due to the massive influx of water. Over the past 24 hours, Meizhou Town in Pingyuan County recorded 369.3 millimeters of rainfall, causing severe flooding that led to multiple rivers exceeding their warning levels and significant road traffic disruptions. Additionally, at least 130,000 households experienced power outages. On the morning of Monday, local residents in various towns of Pingyuan County reported that the water levels peaked at the 2nd floor. A resident from Tuanqi village described continuous torrential rain on the 16th, stating, "It was like water being poured from the sky." By 4 p.m., the village began flooding, with water levels reaching as high as 5 meters, submerging 2 floors of his 3-story house. The flooding caused landslides in some areas, blocking roads and disrupting water, power, and network supplies in multiple towns and villages. A video showed a rural bridge in Meizhou collapsing under the floodwaters, just 30 seconds after someone crossed it. Jiaoling County's Education Bureau issued an emergency notice on the night, ordering all primary and secondary schools, kindergartens, and training institutions in the county to suspend classes on Monday. The Provincial Flood Control and Drought Relief and Wind Control Headquarters upgraded the emergency flood response to Level 3 and dispatched 3 rescue helicopters to the affected areas for personnel evacuation and supply delivery. Preliminary statistics indicate that over 200 teams, comprising more than 9,000 people, have been organized for rescue operations. The rescue efforts have been extensive. Emergency teams have been working around the clock to provide relief and restore essential services. They have faced significant challenges due to the widespread nature of the flooding and the continuing adverse weather conditions. The helicopters dispatched have been crucial in reaching isolated communities, delivering food, water, and medical supplies, and evacuating those in immediate danger. Local authorities have also set up temporary shelters for displaced residents, providing them with basic necessities and medical care. Volunteers from neighboring regions have come to assist in the relief efforts, highlighting a strong communal response to the disaster. Despite the ongoing challenges, there has been a concerted effort to ensure the safety and well-being of all affected residents. The mainland meteorological forecast indicates that parts of Jiangnan and South China will continue to experience heavy rain, with some areas facing torrential downpours, and northeastern Guangxi expecting exceptionally heavy rain. This forecast has prompted further preparations and warnings to residents in these regions to brace for potential flooding and other related impacts. In the meantime, the local government and emergency services are urging residents to stay informed through official channels and to avoid non-essential travel. Safety advisories have been issued, and people are being advised to move to higher ground and secure their homes as much as possible against the rising waters. The immediate focus remains on rescue and relief, but plans are also being made for longer-term recovery and rebuilding once the waters recede.